Fortnite players are convinced the game has been overrun by AI garbage, and this time they're clearly not having it. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. As Epic rolled out its massive new update, a storm of accusations has exploded across social media, with fans claiming the Battle Royale giant is now stuffed with AI slop. It all started when players spotted bizarre new in-game posters, including a mile-high retreat movie ad featuring a Yeti with mismatched number of toes, an instant red flag for low-grade AI art. One viral Reddit post reading, "Say no to AI slop," blasted, with thousands demanding Epic stop cutting corners and start paying real artists. Moderators even launched a mega threat to contain the firestorm, and an attached poll showed a stunning 80% of players want AI content banned from Fortnite entirely. The timing couldn't be messier. Epic CEO Tim Sweeney spent last week blasting Steam for forcing developers to tell if they used AI, joking that AI will be everywhere soon anyway. And now, players think Fortnite is already proving his point. But the hunt for AI hasn't been perfect. One AI-generated image of an anime-style Marty McFly turned out to be totally real art. Illustrator Sean Dove said he drew it by hand, although he said that some stock image backgrounds might have AI elements which only fuel the paranoia. Even a new emote is under fire. Players say its K-pop style track La Tata sounds oddly machine-made, and that the album art looks suspiciously fake. Whether any of this is true or not, AI art has shaken player trust and blurred the line between real and fake even more. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update. Fortnite's metaverse dreams used to feel like a fever dream. At the end of 2025, they finally look semi-real. Still chaotic, still messy, but suddenly kind of working. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech and gaming news. 2 years ago, Epic tried to force the future by dropping Fortnite Festival, Rocket Racing, and LEGO Fortnite all at once. None of them were ready. Racing was ranked, Festival felt unfinished, and LEGO Fortnite didn't land. Instead of fixing everything at once, Epic did what Epic does best, threw stuff at the wall nonstop. And somehow, it's stuck. The biggest surprise hit? Steal the Brain Rot, a Roblox-style creative mode that exploded into Fortnite's user-made blockbuster. Epic is now letting creators monetize islands with V-Bucks. The downside? Epic won't stop shoving Brain Rot into everyone's face, even if you hate it. Plus, Fortnite's Discover tab remains a cluttered nightmare. Battle Royale itself has turned into a mini multiverse. OG mode rewinds to Chapter 1 with its own battle pass. Blitz Royale targets mobile players with fast matches. Delu lets you team up, trash talk, and betray people on weekends only. Somehow, they all coexist without killing matchmaking. It's wild. Meanwhile, Epic has gone full celebrity mode. Pop stars are everywhere. Festival cosmetics sell like crazy. Even Kim Kardashian showed up. Cosmetics have also evolved beyond skins. Kicks, pets and sidekicks are everywhere. Players complained, then bought them anyway. The last wild card? AI. It's creeping in NPCs, art, memes, and Epic doesn't seem shy about it. Fortnite's metaverse isn't clean. It's loud, weird, and exhausting. But for the first time, it's actually alive. For more updates like this video, comment and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Fortnite Chapter 7 is shaking up the Battle Royale scene with a brand new arsenal that's packed with chaos, power, and surprises. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech updates. Epic Games isn't holding back this season. We're getting weapons and items that players have never seen before. And the best thing, the jaw-dropping boss kits. These kits drop when you take down an NPC boss, but don't get too comfortable because they're locked in your inventory until you either clutch the win or bite the dust. Once you get your hands on them, they transform you into the boss you defeated, increases your health and stamina, and gives you one-of-a-kind ability you can trigger manually. But using the kit doesn't make you sneaky. It lights up your location on the map for everyone to see. Right now, there are 3 main bosses roaming on the island, dropping these overpowered kits. Human Bill brings low-gravity chaos and henchman reinforcements. Beach Brutus regenerates shields, while summoning backup, and the mysterious Hush grants lightning-fast 0-point dashes. Each boss, along with their top-tier weapons, like Human Bill's arc lighting gun, Brutus's twin hammer shotguns, and Hush's Deadeye AR spawns randomly across 5 hot zones from Riptides in Classified Canyon to painted palms and the lake east of Wonky Land. And if you thought the loot ended there, not so fast. Fortnite is also introducing the Forsaken Vow Blade, a lethal weapon that doubles as a movement tool, and the self-revive device, letting players make a comeback during a heated fight. Med machines and care packages now hide these life-saving gadgets, keeping every round unpredictable. Chapter 7 is redefining the thrill of Fortnite, turning every match into a high-stakes war for power, survival, and domination. Are you ready to play? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Fasten your seatbelts because Fortnite is about to hit top speed with a new Formula 1 takeover. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. Epic Games is igniting the engines for one of its flashiest crossovers yet by teaming up with Formula 1 to deliver a super fast Fortnite experience that blends high-octane motorsport with battle royale chaos. The headline upgrade is the F1 cosmetic team set hitting the item shop on Thursday, November 20th, and it's packed with enough branded gear to make every player feel like they just stepped out of the paddock. Every one of the 10 F1 teams is getting its own bespoke outfits, gliders, and pickaxes, turning the island into heaven of race suits and team colors. Players can even get F1 back bling and celebrate their win that screams championship energy. F1's chief commercial officer Emily Praser called the partnership a new chapter, saying the sport is determined to show up in places you wouldn't expect it, and Fortnite is the perfect playground for that. Inside the game, players can expect a strong racing vibe with F1-themed skins, new racing style experiences, and possibly even F1 cars or track-like gameplay. Fortnite and Formula 1 are merging two adrenaline-fueled worlds by giving millions of players a chance to chase down victory royales with speed. So strap in, this is gonna be fast, loud, and absolutely unmissable. For more updates, like this video, comment what you think about this, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. If your apps were glitching, your smart home wasn't listening, or your Wordle streak mysteriously broke on October 20, don't worry, it wasn't just you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. A massive Amazon Web Services outage sent shockwaves across the internet, taking down everything from Venmo and Lyft to Fortnite, Reddit, Snapchat, Canva, and even Amazon's own Alexa. It all started in the early hours of October 19, when AWS began experiencing increased error rates and latencies in its US East 1 region, a hub in Northern Virginia that supports a huge chunk of the internet. The culprit was a DNS resolution failure with DynamoDB, the database that powers tons of apps and services, or in layman's language, the data was there but nobody could find it. Mike Chappell, IT professor at Notre Dame, explained it's as if large portions of the internet suffered temporary amnesia. By the time Amazon resolved the core DNS issue early the next morning, the damage was done. The outage caused cascading failures across other AWS services like EC2, the virtual machines that companies use to run their apps, leaving many apps still slow or broken till the next afternoon. By 6:53 p.m. ET on October 20, Amazon finally took a sigh of relief as all services were back to normal, but the incident has left the people thinking that when one region of AWS goes down, it can feel like the entire internet follows. And with AWS controlling about 30% of the global cloud market, the outage raised serious questions about our dependence on just a few digital tech giants to keep the online world running. Are you concerned about the situation as well? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.